got this one. Second defrost I got out of this unit. First defrost I got was last month. It was just like a useless dry defrost. It was actually in like the low 50s out when that happened. See, the snow's out. It's in like the low 30s right now. That one doesn't run very much. It's mostly just this one right here. Also that one right once. So, yeah.